shave. Alright, where was I? What? So in this video I want to solder up Brian Lough's PCB3. This is going to be a present for my grandparents. I was lucky enough to get one of the kits on Tindy. I paid for it, so no sponsored content. I hope every subscriber survived the latest subscriber purge, so for anyone who hasn't, this is for you. Goodbye my robots, goodbye my friends. It has been real. It has been real to me. Let's unwrap the kit. So, this is what you get. Red LEDs, blue LEDs, green LEDs, yellow LEDs, orange LEDs. You might wonder, how does he know it? Well, you can see that they are marked with this little wire resistors, of course. Oh, that's the white one for the Christmas star. In here is the ATtiny, a switch, and something to hang it up. Brian started with the sloth badge, which has also 12 LEDs and an ATtiny 13 on it. He started with the code. What I really like about the Christmas tree thing is that he uses the battery holder as a stand. In this case, we have other plans. I will use one of those. He was inspired by stuff that I made. So the technique he uses for the LEDs, he said he was inspired by my project. This is the word clock PCB that I made. It works like this. You have 0603 LEDs, but they're turned upside down, so they're gonna glow through the PCB. So you have the typical matrix of the word clock. And then you have the LEDs on the backside, which are soldered on inverted. And it really helps that you have the markings on the backside, because you actually see instantly when it's the wrong way around. With everything that's on the table, we're ready. That's nice of you, little LED, but we want you upside down. I just add them randomly. Okay. Oh, there was one. Solder it here. This one is this way, so we'll solder it here. If it doesn't move, don't get in there again. Just let the LED be an LED. You don't have to be perfect about this, especially if you don't see the LEDs. Maybe here. I'm not sure I want blue though. The white one for sure, but I think I'll go just with reds, greens, and orange. Oh, that's yellow. The resistors now. And there's this button. Perfect. Let's get back to every part and solder on every other pin. Let's just try to test that. It's always, this is plus. Brian switches the high side, so that makes sense. Oh, there's a marking here as well. Okay, so let's do this. This is plus. This one is not connected because it's probably plus as well. And mode is negative. The pull down comes in here, so this is. Yep, there we go. It's a bit messy, but I think it's okay. I'm gonna get back with some flux and fix the things that look a bit pointy. Alrighty. Let's clean this up. So let's assemble this. Okay, always pre-tinning the wire. Okay, I'll just put in plus here, and negative should be here, I think. Can't put it in here because that's where the plastic is hiding it. It seems like I have to solder it after I've inserted it. Okay, so let me turn this around because I want to be able to read the polarity of the tree. The tree polarity. That should work. It'll be fine. Tobias, the guy who designed the stand, did have another USB thingy. I gotta remove the pins in here. After that, I should be able to power it via USB. To make it as flush as possible, I'm going to trim this. Eyes closed. Actually wear my safety goggles, aka my normal goggles, glasses. That worked fine. Seems like I also have to snip it, the edges of the PCB. No! Reprint, it's on the ground. I'm just gonna stick right here and tell you a little bit of Prince of Blue. It's super glue, but I'm not sure if it's like quick glue. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I've lost a finger. Oh, the cool thing is the glue actually went up the data pins. That should give it a nice structure. I was gonna pour in some more. Oh, okay. I have glue all over my fingers, and my fingers are stuck now. Sanity check. Put in some power. Did I just break it? It's on, right? What? Disconnect one leg of the USB to make sure it's not the USB connector. Because negative and positive were connected, so. And they still are. Okay, every pin of this connector is connected. How? Make sure if you have one of those adapters to check if they are not cross-connected. It's literally every pin is connected. Okay, do I have to reprint this thing? I don't want to. How did this happen? Why do I always get the tough stuff? Huh? I mean, it's good for the video, but it always takes longer. The other day I bought one of these. It's a very nice solder sucker from Pomeroni, made in Japan. Woohoo! Yup, that looks good. That was the wrong way around, so let's remove the cable. Okay. Sanity check again. Where's my multimeter? Are we safe? Yes. Yay! Yay! Okay. That's bad. I will put a link to the files for the 3D printed base, as well as a link to the PCBs. If you're watching this in 2019 around the Christmas time, check out Ryan's Tindy store, and hopefully he will have a new round of PCBs made and already in a store to ship to you. Just in case I manage to cut this and publish this before the end of the year and before Christmas, I want to wish you all the best over the Christmas time and New Year. I wish you a good slide in, as we Germans say, into the next year. I don't think that makes sense. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see us next time. Bye.